How to win with affiliate marketing. Because you do not just want to be an affiliate marketer. You want to be a successful affiliate marketer. If you are starting affiliate marketing in 2021, then good for you. Now is the time, because it is never too late to go after something you want. Life is what you make of it. That's what we believe anyways. To work hard to make the life you want for yourself, your family and even your friends. So, we created this video for you. To help you get started on your journey. This guide will answer the most common questions you have as a beginner affiliate marketer. And map out the path for you so you know exactly what you need to do next. Ready? Let's go. Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You just promote other people's products. When they buy from your specific link, you make a commission of the sale. But making your first affiliate commission is not exactly easy. Your questions will fall into these 4 buckets. What niche do I choose? What do I promote? What do I need? How do I make money? This 33-page guide will tell you everything you need to know. Get it here. Get it now.